Yo, what up guys, I'm back. I know it's been a month, but I'm back on the grind with the content every week, and in today's video we're going to install some hub-centric front spacers for my front wheels at the homie Chris's house.
Yeah. Forgot these studs too. I'm gonna go on the front. I'm gonna add them right here.
When the car's right out, there's a gap right here. You can kind of see how there's a gap right there. And so these spacers will bring out the wheels a lot more and will make the fitment a lot more flush when the car's aired out. Also forgot to mention that we are installing new intake filters for my Stirling cold air intakes. These are pretty dried up and used up, so we got some new ones over there that we're going to install.
What the? Get off.
Gonna go with.
Ah!
No. Doing stuff, bro.
Fucking pounding it. Two, huh?
Yes.
There you go. You ready? Grab it.
This?
Yeah. Alright, put it somewhere safe. OEM Dust Shield has a little spot for the studs to come out. It's like right here. It's a little spot right here. You're supposed to hit the stud and it's gonna come out through here. Thanks to Infinity. £5 mallet, guys. Me too. At this point, it looks so gummed up.
Get your big hands out of the way.
Yeah, get your big ass camera out the way. All right, here's the last one. Nope. And it's done.
Ooh, don't hit that.
All right, you're gonna hold it, okay? I'll tell you if you're doing a shitty gum.
Holding the brake while he torques down.
Alright, you ready? Oh yeah, I forgot you can't brake. Don't brake.
Bruh.
Did you already brake? Don't brake.
Yeah, I already did.
Yeah, that's fine. Don't do it again.
Down.
see how the other side goes lower?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably just stuck on
So,
that.
so right here, it doesn't air out all the way. It's like sitting on top of the tire. And on this side, it airs out more. So I'm either gonna have to run upper control arms or stretch the tire. So I think I'm just gonna end up stretching the tire in the future.
The following day.
We're gonna do a little part install, just a little clip right here. Turns out my coolant cap actually broke, so I went ahead and ordered a new coolant cap. So the coolant cap just broke, split in half. Don't know why, probably just because it's old. So instead of ordering an OEM one, I told myself why not just get a better one. So right here we have a Masterpiece Automotive titanium coolant cap, full replacement. So we're just gonna stick this on the G, just a quick little mod. Just a simple, quick mod for the engine bay, because I needed a new one anyways. I threw the old one somewhere on the floor. I don't know where it went, but it's trash anyways. So, just a quick little mod, and I thought I'd show you guys.